$9.99 for a full mechanical gaming keyboard? Yeah, this is real life. The GamePower Ogre RGB. For a limited time, Newegg is letting these beautiful keyboards go for just $10. You heard me right, $9.99, baby! And the GamePower isn't just some bare bones basic clacker, no, it's a legit mechanical keyboard with red or blue switches, wrist rests, and of course, beautiful RGB lighting, because RGB makes everything better. The major selling point are the mechanical switches. Made by Otemu, the blue switches give that satisfying clicky sound, while red switches are typically preferred by gamers because they have that smooth, linear feel. This keyboard has a shockingly high number of lighting modes and features. Not only can you change the light modes, but you can also change the color in each of those modes and adjust the brightness. Oh, and did I mention that it's just $10 because until April 1st, while supplies last, it's just $10. $10! Newegg.com!